Today I will introduce how to download a Debian Linux ISO file. Step 1, visit the official website. Open your favorite web browser, search for Debian in the search engine. Click on the first link from debian.org, which is the official website of Debian. Step 2, download the Debian ISO file. On the Debian homepage, you will see the download button. Click on the download button to go to the download page. You will see different Debian versions available. At the time of this guide, the latest version is Debian 12.1. Click on the download link next to the latest version to start downloading. Step 3, choosing the right image. By default, you download the NetInstall ASIO file, which requires an internet connection during installation. If you prefer an offline installation, click on the Getting Started button. Step 4, verify the downloaded ISO file. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. The ISO file will have a name similar to. Now your Debian ISO file is ready for installation.